Let's check out the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo. I can see straight away the front of the Pocket 4 has 2 additional buttons the Pocket 3 didn't have, so straight away I can safely say that's an update. It's packed extremely well. Looks like there's 2 carry bags in there. All the info on the back of the box, of course. This little bag looks like a compact travel bag that will fit the DJI and maybe a mic comfortably. This is a great idea and will fit in my handbag when I don't want to be taking everything with me. Feels quite good, the material. The second one looks like it fits the whole kit and caboodle in it. It's packed. I love the feeling of this bag and it looks great as well, which is a bonus. They've really outdone themselves with the bag. So here's the camera. Unlike the Pocket 3, it has a bracket that secures the gimbal when you're carrying it. That way it shouldn't get damaged. What else have we got in here? Oh wow, is this a light? Oh, this is a little fill light. And it actually magnetically connects to the top of the gimbal. It's great if you're filming in low light. This is the piece that you would use to mount on the bottom of the camera so you can put your tripod on. It would also make the camera a little bit easier to hold too. This is the Mic 3. The Pocket 3 came with the Mic 2. The mics also come with the windshields, so they'll be in the bag somewhere. And magnetic clip so that you can clip it onto your shirt, and that's what this will be. They've really thought about everything, DJI. It's great. Here's one of the windshields. Perfect for if you're outside and there is a lot of wind around. Cuts out that wind noise. And that magnetically attaches to that as well. And this is the second windshield. They don't make these bags easy to open. Okay, what have we got here? Oh, it's the tripod, the mini tripod. So that screws to the bottom of the mount. Yep, that's the one. Screws on, and then that attaches to the bottom of the camera. What have I got here? Oh, this is the wide angle lens. That'll attach to the front of the camera as well, quite easily. This is a little wrist strap to attach to the bottom of the camera. Oops, just realised I had the box upside down. Now it's sideways. Here's the USB-C to USB-C cord to charge it, charge the camera. And this one will be the charger for the mic, and it's magnetic as well, so it clips on and charges your mic for you, which is awesome. So here it is, the DJI Pocket 4 Creator Combo. This is such a great little kit. It's got absolutely everything you need. So what are you waiting for? Go get creating.